Every hour counts when you're transporting fresh milk. In California, our client, a leading dairy processing cooperative, needed a smarter way to track and manage their truckloads of milk to avoid spoilage and delays. If a truckload of milk doesn't reach the right plant on time, it's not just a delay, it's a loss. We built a seamless automation system that pulls real-time data from 3 different systems: an HTML web portal, SharePoint, and a live API. Using Python, Azure functions, and an ADF pipeline, we built a robust backend to scrape, sync, and consolidate data every 2 to 4 hours based on the client's needs. To simplify on-ground operations, we also built a lightweight, user-friendly Power App. It allows plant teams to easily capture and manage asset data in real time without needing complex systems. All this data flows into a centralized database. Then, our automated Outlook reports bring clarity to the transportation team, tracking haulers, truck statuses, inventory, and every milk load en route. The result? Real-time visibility, faster reroutes, zero guesswork, and above all, reduced risk of spoilage. What once was a risk is now a well-oiled, data-driven operation. At Bloomfieldx, we bring clarity to complexity with AI automation and cloud-native solutions. Have a challenge that needs automation magic? Let's talk. Reach out to us today.